Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the bidirectional level shifter in LTSpice. Okay, so we will understand how this bidirectional level shifter works and what is the application of this bidirectional level shifter. Okay, so this circuit is most commonly used in the industry to shift the level from 3.3 volt to 5 volt, and this is basically, let us say you have two devices. One is operating with 3.3 volt and logic level for the signal is 3.3 volt, and other is operating at 5 volt and the logic level for the signal is 5 volt. So if they want to communicate with each other, there should be a level shifter. That means they should be in the same voltage logic level. So in some way people use the level shifter, which could be in the form of integrated circuit or ICs. But here I use only two MOSFET to demonstrate how level is being shifted from 3.3 volt to 5 volt and 5 volt to 3.3 volt. So this is going to be very interesting topic today to understand how this level shifter, bidirectional level shifter works. That means one side is it is converting from 3.3 volt to 5 volt and 5 volt to 3.3 volt. Okay, so let us say you have two clock line. The logic level for this side is 3.3 volt and the logic level for this side is 5 volt. For for our simulation purpose, I use, let us say this is serial clock 3.3 volt, serial data 3.3 volt, and for the demonstration purpose I use 2 voltage source which is having logic level of 3.3 volt. And I also use two MOSFET. MOSFET gate is connected to the 3.3 volt power supply. Here I use two pull-up resistor R1 and R2, okay, with which is connected to 3.3 volt, and here I also used two pull-up resistance R3 and R4 which is connected to the 5 volt, right? Now I will run the simulation and I will show you how the level is being converted, right? How the level is being shifted. Okay, so I just run the simulation. Okay, so let me run the simulation and let us add plot pane, right? So first I will show you the level at this trace, that is SCL 3.3 volt. Okay, and so you can see this is SCL 3.3 volt. Maybe I changed the color to it. So you can see the logic level for this is 3.3 volt. Now I will show you the same waveform at SCL 5 volt. Okay, so let me click it here. Now you can see the logic level for this SCL 5 volt is 5 volt, right? So you can see your input is 3.3 volt and other side you are getting the logic level of 5 volt. Okay, and you can also see some overshoot here and undershoot here, right? Okay, so this is for SCL, and let me show you data for SDA. So here 3.3 volt, and so you can see SD here, and this is 3.3 volt, and let me show you SDA at 5 volt. So this is SDA and this is 5 volt, right? So you can see here let us assume this is input side, let us assume this is input side. So on this case you are converting your 3.3 volt to 5 volt, right? Your 3.3 volt to 5 volt, that means you are communicating with another device which is having a logic level of 3.3 volt, but at the input side you have logic level of 3 volt, and at the output side here you can see you have a logic level of 5 volt, right? This 1 mega ohm resistance I used for the termination purpose for now. So now I will, this is single directional level shifter I have shown you. That means 3.3 volt logic level is being converted into the 5 volt. Now what I will do, I will demonstrate you how 5 volt logic level is being converted into 3.3 volt, right? So let me remove this resistance and keep it somewhere. Okay, let me fetch the power supply here. Okay, let me connect this resistor here. Okay, let me rotate this, right? So I just rotated this. Okay, let me change the voltage level here. Instead of 3.3 volt I will take 5 volt. Instead of 3.3 volt I will take 5 5 volt, right? All right, now I will show you, your input is 5 volt and how it is being converted into 3.3 volt. Okay, so just run the simulation here and just run the simulation, and let us run the simulation and use waveform window. So this is, I will divide into two plot pane. This is for input side. So input side your SCL is 5 volt, and let me change the color, right? And VSCL is 5 volt, and this side I will show you what you are getting. This side you can see you are getting logic level is 0 to 3.3 volt. Here you are getting logic level 0 to 5 volt. Okay, and let me change the color. So you can see now your input is 5 volt, but at the output you are getting logic level of 3.3 volt. Okay, so this circuit is very important and it is most commonly used in the industry for level conversion purpose. You do not need to use any integrated chip. You have to only use this bidirectional level shifter, this bidirectional level shifter. So hope you understood how this bidirectional level shifter works and what is the application of this bidirectional level shifter. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.